Hi all, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'll show you how you can download the configuration file of a code pipeline, and then later you can recreate the same code pipeline using that config file. Okay, let's begin. I have already created a pipeline called new pipe, and you can see that I have already executed it and it was successful. It has only two stages. One is source stage and second one is deploy stage. There is no build stage. In source stage, it is going to download the package from GitHub, and then it is going to deploy that package into an EC2. And this package or the base code is nothing but a basic simple web page given by index.html. And this is the web page which you get. Again, you can see that it is a very simple plain HTML page because we just need to test it. We are not here to create a complex web page anyways. So it is already done. So what I'm going to do now is to download the configuration file for this particular pipeline, so that using that config file, I can recreate this pipeline just by executing a CLI command. So let me do that. I'll go to Cloud Shell and I have to issue this command. Let me copy that. I'll be giving this command as part of the cheat sheet. So you can see AWS CodePipeline, get pipeline, name of the pipeline. And then we are getting the config file for this particular pipeline, and it will be written into pipeline definition.json in the JSON format. So let me enter that. And if you do ls, you can see pipeline definition.json. So if you want to see this, you can see this is how it will look like. Now what next? I have to create another pipeline based on this config file. So before I do that, I will do two things. I will go to the EC2 and then remove the installation which is already done. Here you can see that the Apache 2 or HTTPD server is already running. I'm going to remove it with this command. Yes. So now that it is being removed, if you go to your web page here and refresh it, you can see that now the web server is not running. I will also do one more thing. I will delete this particular pipeline. So let me do that. Go to pipeline, select this, delete pipeline, delete. So we have removed the pipeline. We have already removed the code which is already installed. Now, how do I recreate the pipeline and how do I run that pipeline and then get the same package installed in my EC2? That's what we are going to see. Go back to Cloud Shell again, and here the first thing you have to do is to edit this configuration file to change the name of the pipeline. Even if you don't change it is okay, but let me do that. So here the name is given as new pipe, right? So let me change it to 101, new pipe 101, save, quit. Now you have to issue this particular command for creating the pipeline. I'll give all these commands as part of my cheat sheet. AWS CodePipeline, create pipeline, then the pipeline file, configuration file. Okay, so it has created the pipeline. Let us go and check, refresh this. You can see that the new pipeline has been created and it is in progress. So just go there. So when you create a new pipeline, you know that it will start executing. The first part is executed. Second part, deployment, is going on. So if you go to that web page and refresh it, you can see that the deployment is also complete. I mean, it will take some time before this comes to a closure, but this is how you can download the config file for a code pipeline and then later you can recreate it. And how to create this pipeline, the original pipeline, that I have done another video, and I will include the link to that particular video in the description, so you can use that. So please try out this hands-on exercise at your end and add in comments if you are able to successfully complete the exercise. I hope this was useful. I'll come back with more such useful videos. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you. Bye.